In this video, we are going to see the types of databases. Before going to the video, please subscribe to my channel In and Around Computer. There are 11 different types of databases. First one is the centralized, then distributed, relational, NoSQL, cloud database, object-oriented database, hierarchical, the network, personal, operational, and enterprise database. Now we can see the databases one by one. First is the centralized database. It is the type of database that stores data at a centralized database system. That is, the users can access the stored data at this database from different locations through several applications. The example of a centralized database can be a central library that carries a central database of each library in a college or university. So this can be a centralized database. Then the next is the distributed database. Unlike a centralized database system, in distributed systems, data is distributed among different database systems of an organization. These database systems are connected through communication links. Examples of such a distributed database are Apache, Cassandra, HBase, Ignite, etc. Then the next one is the relational database. This is based on a relational data model which stores the data in form of rows and columns and together forms a table. And the relational database uses SQL for storing, manipulating as well as maintaining the data. Each table in the database carries a key that makes the data unique from others. As examples of such databases are MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, etc. Next one is NoSQL database. This is non-SQL or not SQL database. SQL is a type of database that is used for storing a wide range of data sets. It is not a relational database as it stores data not only in tabular form but in several different ways. It came into existence when demand for the modern applications increased. Next one is the cloud database. This type of database, where the data is stored in a virtual environment and executes over the cloud computing platform. This provides the user with various cloud computing services for accessing the database. There are numerous cloud platforms. The best options may be Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud SQL, etc. Next one is the object-oriented database. This type of database uses object-based model approach for storing the data in the database system. The data is represented and stored as objects which are similar to objects used in object-oriented programming language. Next one is the hierarchical database. This is a type of database that stores data in the form of parent-child relationship nodes, and it organizes the data in a tree-like structure. Data gets stored in the form of records which are connected through links. Each child record in the tree will contain only one parent. On the other hand, each parent record can have multiple child records. This is the pattern in which the data is stored in a hierarchical database. And next one is the network database. This is a database that follows the network data model. Here the representation of data is in the form of nodes which are connected through links between them. Unlike the hierarchical database, it allows each record to have multiple children and parent nodes to form a generalized graphical structure. And next one is the personal database. This stores collecting and storing data, and the user system defines a personal database. This database is basically designed for a single user. Such type of databases are personal databases. Next one is the operational database. This type of database creates and updates the database in real time. It is basically designed for executing and handling the daily data operations in several businesses. For example, an organization uses operational database for managing per day transactions. And the last one is the enterprise database. Large organizations or enterprises use this database for managing a massive amount of data. This helps organizations to increase and improve their efficiency. Such a database allows simultaneous access to users. Subscribe to my channel if you feel